Pinahingal, okay? And now, ladies and gentlemen, our final group. Okay? Uy, hawal ba din mga outfit? Grabe. Pinagandaan natin mo inyong coach. Si Coach Wander. Uy, naman ba ka nagpalda, Coach? Nakapalda po ikaw. Nakapalda yung mga kauban, no? Ano, ulan, basa. Okay. Ayan, okay. Grabe. Patanda ang mga contestant. Representing the senior citizen group. Ayan, okay. Lumalabas na ang kulay. That's graceful. Very graceful. Oh. grandfather and their grandchildren. Okay, thank you so much, Coach. Let's give a round of applause to our contenders for tonight or contestants for tonight, okay? Now, we will request pakitanggal na ang bike, iulit na lang sa balay dahil. Okay? Okay, so, let's give a round of applause please to our contestants for tonight, okay? I would like to announce those na nasa labas po. Kung pwede po, pumasok po kayo lahat kasi kung sino lang yung nasa loob, siya lang ang makakakain dito sa aming buffet setup. Yung nasa loob lang po ang makakain according to Sir Roy ang pwedeng kumain sa buffet setup. Okay? Lahat po ng nasa labas pwede pong pumasok na kayo. Okay? I-close po namin ang door dyan. Then wala na makakapasok kung sino ang nasa loob, siya lang makakain. Okay ba yun? Okay. Bahala mo. Okay. Now we will have our first raffle draw. Okay? Magpaparaffle tayo. Okay? So bubulot ako ng we're going to give 5 Genghis Skin products. Okay? Our first. Okay, congratulations to number 005, John Boyko. Yan, Sir John. Okay. Genghis Skin products na facial wash and sabon. Okay. Grace, can you please move forward here? Si Grace. To assist Sir Roy here. Grace, pasok para may trabaho pa rin dyan. Okay. Picture. Okay. Okay. Paki-assist si Sir Roy, Grace. Our second. Congratulations to number 10, Rose Ebo. Next, aba si Rose. Ha? Sheila? Okay. Next, number 43, Richelle Loregas. Okay. Next winner, Sir Orly Mesa Grande, number 20. Okay. Wow, change outfit ka agad. Okay. And next, Renz Buhat. Sir Renz, ayan, congratulations to all our winners of Genghis Skin products, facial wash, and sabon. Wala pa isa? Gusto mo ba? Si Renz? Okay. Picture sa? Okay. Dito sa picture. Ito nga. Congratulations to our first 5 raffle winners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Akin ba ako? Okay. Wala na Sir Roy? Wala na sa? Okay. Okay, before we're going to proceed with our next program, magkakaroon tayo ng first set ng ating parlor games. Okay, I need volunteers for our first set of game. At least 10 po. Kasi nila dito ang 10. Okay. 10 po, 10 volunteers. Okay, 1, we have 1. Let's join na games. 10. 2. Ayan, si Sir nakaral ko. Galing na lang. Ayan. 10. Okay, 1 line, straight line here. Ha? Gani, okay. 10 na ba? Okay. Ayan! Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kulang na lang isa! Okay. 10 na yan ba? Okay. Okay, I need 3 volunteers. Kayong tatlo ba? Volunteers. Okay.
Sobra lagi sila guys.
Okay. Dito ka, si color green. Ano? Green, yellow, and blue. Okay, that's it. Okay. Can you please form one straight line on color green? Green. One straight line in color green. Kasya ba kaya dyan? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.